To DJH Prestige and Sports, we've just acquired this lovely rare Firenze red Jaguar 2-litre diesel R Sport. It's in fantastic condition, gloss black alloy wheels, gloss black all around the trims, de-chromed, rear privacy glass, lovely gloss black rear diffuser with twin exhausts, obviously aftermarket, they're nice and large. Got the rear park distance control, really is in a stunning colour. Finish is beautiful. Boot area in lovely condition. Got the lovely contrasting black and red leather interior. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Just have a look at that interior. Step inside the car, start up. It's done 92,867 miles. Sounds absolutely lovely. Got reverse camera. It's just we've got satellite navigation, heated seats, different ways of driving it, multifunction steering wheel, cruise control, absolutely lovely condition. Aux and USB. DJH with full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. For inquiring further information, please give us a call 07503 751 005. Thank you.